welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making raspberry flavored Swiss meringue buttercream. I'm going to also go through the whole process of making Swiss meringue buttercream. It's not super hard. I know you can do it too, so let's get started.
As always, we start with our ingredients. We need 7 egg whites, 2 cups or 400 grams of sugar, 2 cups or 500 grams of butter, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract or 2 tablespoons vanilla sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 cup or 250 grams of chunkless seedless raspberry jam, pink and purple food coloring, which is totally optional. To make the Swiss meringue buttercream, separate your eggs into a metal or glass bowl. We only need the egg whites. Add the sugar to the eggs as well as the vanilla sugar if you're using that. Whisk it together until combined. The mixture will be rather thick and you can see grains sticking to the side of the bowl. Now we heat it over the stove in a double boiler. When it's ready, the mixture will be thin, we won't see any grains anymore, and it will feel hot to the touch. This kills all the bacteria in the eggs and combines the eggs with the sugar. I allow the mixture to cool for a few minutes or so before I start beating it. But you will need an electric mixer for this. Beat the egg and sugar on high for around 10 minutes, or until the mixture is a light, fluffy, white, glossy meringue. And the bowl is room temperature. Allow it to sit if you can still feel heat coming from the bowl. Now, slow the mixer to medium-low and add the butter a tablespoon at a time. This same method works for my dairy-free Swiss meringue buttercream, except instead of butter, I use a combination of margarine and shortening. I'll link the recipe in the card. This is the hardest part about Swiss meringue buttercream, the patience. Because when you first add the butter, it often looks like this, and you can be convinced that you've ruined it. However, you just have to keep beating. Be patient. It can take a long time. I would say on average it takes 5 to 15 minutes. Between times it will start to thicken, but it will still be very thin and not spreadable. You don't have to do more than simply beat it. It will come together on its own. Basically, it will start to get chunky and resemble cottage cheese. Continue to beat it until the mixture is a thick buttercream consistency. There it goes. Isn't that lovely? At this point, fold in the salt and vanilla if you haven't yet. And add the raspberry jam. I like to fold it in with a whisk, but you can use a rubber spatula too. Now I feel like the color is far too pale. It doesn't look like raspberries. So I add pink gel food coloring and a little bit of purple. And I mix it through. This buttercream is smooth and lovely. The raspberry flavor comes through nicely and the color tells you what flavor it is. It's so delicious, my husband couldn't stop eating the leftover buttercream. It's perfect for every raspberry fan. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Tag me on Instagram if you make it yourself. I would love to see your work. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more.